Hello guys, welcome back to Programming with Rana Waqas. Today in this video tutorial we will learn about for loops in Kotlin. So basically there is no traditional for loop in Kotlin unlike Java and other languages. In Kotlin, for loop is used to iterate through ranges, arrays, maps and uh, so on. Anything that provides an iterator, so we can use for loop to iterate on that thing. So the syntax of for loop is, you can write here for, and here you will write item in collection, and one by one the item for collection will assign to this item variable, and here we will write the body of the for loop. So let's take an example. So let's iterate through a range. So let's suppose we are writing here for I in, so range is from 1 to 5, and 1 to 5, not 55, 1 to 5, and we will print here the value of this I. So let's see what will be the output. So here you can see the output is 1 2 3 4 5. So if you can write this for loop and this print statement in a single line, so no need to put brackets if there is only one line. So here you can see the output is similar as the output of the previous program with usage of braces. So there are different ways to iterate through a range. The one way which we write here was this one. So let's print it here by using print statement, and then we will use println statement to make it print on the next line, and then let's print a statement here before this for loop print. Here we will write 4, and let's copy this line. Paste it over here and use here this equal to and greater than sign, that will make an arrow, and let's copy these statements and paste it over here, and write it 5 to 1, not 1 to 5. We will write here 5 to 1, and here we will write 5 to 1. Similarly, as you know, the value of I will be from 1 to 5. So it will print 1 2 3 4 5, and here you can see that is from 5 to 1. So I think so there should be no output, so it should print nothing over here. So similarly, if we paste these lines over here, and we will use for I in 5, and here we use down to 1. So here you will see 5 down to 1. So it should print 5 4 3 2 1. Similarly, if you want to move backward with multiple steps, like you are moving here by using 1. So let's suppose you want to go from 1 to 5 by using a step of 2. So here you will write step 2. So it should skip one number. Let's suppose it should print 1, then 3, then 5. So similarly, if you are moving from 5 to 1, 5 down to 1, and you want to make step of 2, so you need to write here step 2, and here we will write down to, and then down to 1, and we will use step of 2. So what is the error here? So it should be 5 down to 1. So let's print it, and we'll see what is the output. So here you can see this is 1 2 3 4 5, and this loop prints nothing because we use 5 double dot 1, and here we didn't define any step here, and here 5 down to 1, so 5 4 3 2 1. Here it will take step 2, so this is 1 3 5, and with down 2 we are using step 2, so the output is 5 3 1. So we can also iterate through an array. So let's suppose you have an array of name languages, and here you define array by using array of method, and you are using array of method to create a list of languages. So here the second language is Kotlin, then Python, and then Java. So we want to print each of the language, so we will write here suppose L in languages. So here you will print this print ln to print it in a single line. Single language will be in a single line, and the next language will be in the next line. So here we use print ln, and the item which we have just declared here, that can be item or L. So you will use this keyword over here, that variable here. So let's print it. Okay, you can see here Ruby, Kotlin, Python, and Java. So it's possible to iterate through an array with an index, for example, with the same values. I am going to write here 4, and let's comment this code. And here I use item in languages dot, and here I use indices. So it will give me the indexes of this Ruby, Kotlin, Python, and Java. So let's suppose I want to print those items which are present on the even indexes. So I write here item modulus 2 double equal to 0. So then print line, and here we will use languages, and here we will use the index over here. So let's run it. So it should print Ruby and Python. Similarly, you can iterate on a string also. So let's suppose here you have a variable text, and the text is, suppose Kotlin is a text, and you want to iterate on each of the letters. So let's suppose letter in text. So first of all K will come into this letter, then O, then T, and up to N. So let's print ln, and here we will use letter, and let's run it. You will use here Kotlin character by character. Similarly, you can write here dot indices. If you are using here indices, then you will have to write here text, and here now the letter is a index. Now this is here will be 0 1 2 3 4 will come into this letter, and you are printing the whole text by using the value of indices. So this is all about the for loops. In my next video I will explain you about while loop, and how you can use while loop in Kotlin. So let's meet in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. So Allah Hafiz, take care.